Are you a fan of the enchanting world of Harry Potter? If so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. The possibility of revisiting Hogwarts is an enticing notion that has the magic community buzzing with excitement. Imagine the thrill when a poster for a film titled Harry Potter, The Return of the Dark Lord, circulated online. A mix of nostalgia and curiosity gripped fans like an all-consuming spell, sparking wild dreams of a cinematic return to a beloved saga. The original Harry Potter series captivated audiences, releasing 8 films over a decade, wrapping up with Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 2 in 2011. With that finale, the story appeared complete, yet the allure of another adventure lingers like a lingering charm. As speculation grew, the poster gained traction on social media, featuring iconic characters Harry and Voldemort poised dramatically against the ruins of Hogwarts, a visually striking homage to past suture and movie posters that promised thrilling revelations and rekindled childhood memories. The CDC's critically swabbers and cossies of any examines of generation and famous R's sentence. And when you look at that, however, not everything glittering is gold. Many fans quickly began to question the authenticity of the poster, noting a lack of resemblance between the depicted Voldemort and Ralph Fiennes' iconic portrayal. Instead, this villain seemed almost computer-generated, casting doubt on the poster's legitimacy. This buzz coincided with the knowledge that no official announcements had been made about a new Harry Potter film. While whispers of future films circulate, the more concrete news centers around the Wizarding World's continued expansion into TV. Quote, Warner Brothers Discovery has embarked on a bold new adventure, announcing a Harry Potter series inspired by J.K. Rowling's novels, which is slated for a 2026 release. Notably, it aims to explore the depths of the story in ways that film adaptations could never achieve. With fresh faces taking on beloved roles, the series seeks to capture the essence of the books over a potentially decade-long run. Imagine the thrill of seeing intricate subplots and character nuances come to life on screen. Imagine, though the long-awaited casting news and plot details remain under wraps, the prospect of revamping the Harry Potter storyline in this format is a magical opportunity for die-hard fans. And in the meantime, while enjoying the original films still available on streaming platforms, fans can only dream of what twists and turns the new series may bring. And remember, just because Harry's wand isn't waving at the cinema doesn't mean we've seen the last of him. Is it too early to get excited about brooms, spells, and house rivalries returning? After all, why don't wizards use their cell phones?
Because they prefer to use spell check instead.
With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.